Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel, TechGetter Official. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the username of your account on Windows 10 using two simple methods. This is helpful if you've made a spelling mistake in your name, set a temporary name earlier, or just want to personalize your account. Let's get started. Method 1. Change username via Control Panel. Step 1. Check the current username. Right now, my user account is named John. But let's say I want to rename it to Peter. Here's how to do that. Step 2. Open the Control Panel. Click on the Start menu or press the Windows key. Type Control Panel in the search bar. Then click on it to open. Step 3. Go to User Accounts. Once the Control Panel opens, click on User Accounts. Then again click on User Accounts in the next screen. Now click on Change Account Type. Step 4. Select the account you want to rename. You'll now see a list of accounts available on your PC. Click on the user account you want to rename. In this case, John. Step 5. Change the account name. Click on Change the account name. You'll see a text box. Type in the new name you want. I'll enter Peter. Then click on Change Name. That's it. Your account name has now been updated. Step 6. Sign out to confirm the changes. To make sure the new name appears everywhere, click on Start, click your profile icon, and choose Sign Out. On the login screen, you'll now see your new account name, Peter. Log back in, and you'll notice the updated name in the Start menu too. Method 2. Using the Run command, control user passwords too. This method is great if you want a faster, shortcut-based option without going through many menus. Step 1. Open the Run dialog. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run window. Step 2. Enter the command. In the Run box, type Control User Passwords too. Then press Enter or click OK. This will open the Advanced User Account Settings window. Step 3. Select the account. From the list of user accounts, select the one you want to rename. For example, I'll select John. Step 4. Click on Properties. Now click the Properties button below the list. This opens a new window where you can edit the account details. Step 5. Rename the account. In the Username field under the General tab, delete the old name and type your new one. For example, Peter. Click Apply, then OK to save. Step 6. Restart your PC. Finally, restart your computer. Once your PC boots up again, your new username will be active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechGetter Official.